Welcome to Math 1350. More on math. I'm calling that instead of the video lessons because this continues. Every video is a different topic. This video is going to be on Chapter 4, Section 3. Section 3 deals with greatest common divisor, or GCD, and least common denominator, or LCD. All right, let's first look at, we're also going to look at something called least common multiple. The least common multiple is similar to the LCD, except that the LCD, least common denominator, only works in fractions. For example, if you're looking at adding 3 over 5 plus 1 over 7, we have to look for the least common denominator. What's the smallest number both these fit into? But that's a different topic. So the LCM is, the least means the smallest common multiple. This one looks for the smallest number that all of the values fit into. For example, if our numbers were 2 and 4, this is an example. The LCM is what's the smallest number that 2 and 4 both fit into. And this is typically the way you look for it. You list your numbers, 2 and 4, and start multiplying. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10, and so on and so forth. 4 times 1, this is the ones column. 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, and keep on going. Well, until you find one number that they both fit into. Starting from the left, what's the smallest number they both fit into? In this case, the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, because they both fit into 4. Alright. Let's look at another example. Let's look at 12 and 21. So, find the LCM, the least common multiple. Alright, so again, we create our list. So this is times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, and keep on going. 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 36, 60, 72, and if we need to, we'll go further. 21 times 1 is 21. 21 times 2 is 42. Since we have this list, we're going to keep on looking until we see a repeating number. 21 times 3 . 21 times 4. 21 times 5. Okay, so that's this is too small now, so let's keep going. 12 times 7 is 84. So the LCM is 84. Now, let's look at if there was a faster way we could have done that. And there is. Method to find LCM or LCDs. This is a table that I thought about many years ago. So first off, we use a little table. Our numbers here. So here we have our numbers 12 and 21. These are our two numbers in question. First, let's factor them. Let's break them down to its smallest pieces. 12 is made up of 6 times 2, which is also 6 is made up of 2 times 3. So it's 2 times 2 times 3. 21 is made up of 3 times 7. So we have, that's what they break down into. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12, 3 times 7 is 21. Now, the next column, what do we need to add to this list and to this list so they're both equal? So this one has 2 2's, this one needs 2 2's. They both have a 3. This one has a 7, this one needs a 7. So now, 2 2's, a 3 and a 7. 2 2's, a 3 and a 7. If we multiply the factors times the needs, it'll give us the LCM. So let's see. Because it's going to be, they're both going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 2 is 42. 42 times 2 is 84. That's the easiest way of doing it. It works for the LCD or LCM. Let's do another one. We'll do this when we start doing the homeworks. The greatest common greatest common multiple. The greatest is looking for the largest number. Largest number that both numbers fit into. But it's not really the largest. The reason you call it the greatest is because both numbers must fit into that number. All right, good. Divisor.